Department of Sanitation has issued winter operations advisory starting at 2 this afternoon, and that really means that they are getting the salt spreaders ready to treat both car and bike lanes in case it is needed. Officials say slick and slushy roads are possible throughout the city and urge New Yorkers to stay off the roads if crews are working. Danny, is this really going to happen?
Okay, listen, I know you see that video and you hear salt spreaders and you're thinking, what? What do you see our snow total map? The city looking at a coating to an inch. You're thinking, is that a little bit of an overreaction? I think what's really driving that kind of preparation and our AccuWeather alert is the fact that it is the holiday travel rush time, right? It's not necessarily snowmageddon. In fact, in this city, we're lucky to pick up about an inch of snow between now and 24 hours from now. But given how many people are heading out the door, whether it's to the airport or on the highways, you gotta just take note of the fact that things are going to get slick throughout the day today into first thing tomorrow morning. So that's why we're pushing this weather event. Not because we expect impressive snowfall totals, but because with so many people heading out the door, it could cause some issues. 37 right now and cloudy. Temperatures right below the freezing mark for our northernmost suburbs. We're at 34 in Morristown right now, 39 in Belmar, 38 for Islip, but 30 in Newburgh. Here's a look at the radar, and we're starting to see this come to life, right? It's not anything overwhelming right now, but it's just getting warmed up as we head into the rest of today. That's when things really start to get active. Down the shore, rain falling from Neptune down through Stafford. It looks like closer to Middletown, maybe some light flurries. On Long Island, we're seeing a little light snow right now for Plainview, for Huntington. We're closer to the South Shore there. It's mainly rain. Southampton picking up some light rain. The lower Hudson Valley, northwest New Jersey getting a few flurries, and there's plenty more where that came from. Where the focus for this snow is right now is further west. Fort Wayne seeing quite a bit of snow right now, over through Chicago, Cleveland, up through Buffalo, all seeing steady snow. And this is what's sliding our direction as we move toward midday. So rain and snow showers are expected within the next several hours. Fairly light, but again, still snow. We'll get a little bit of a lull for your Friday night, and then a band of snow crossing the rest of the tri-state as we move towards Saturday morning. That's really when we could pick up a coating to an inch, even here in the city. So yes, rain and snow on the way. No, it's not going to be really impressive in terms of those totals, but still could complicate travel given how many people are heading out the door. I'll have that total map for you coming up.
All right. Thank you, Danny. You know, yesterday was really a whirlwind for accused CEO killer Luigi Mangione. This time yesterday, Mangione was in court in Pennsylvania waiving extradition.
That's traditionally what we see with a suspect being walked in by authorities. This was something that was a wild thing to take in, as you saw so many officers escorting Mangione as he was whisked out of that NYPD helicopter in Lower Manhattan, all to sit in front of a judge in answer to new federal charges.
So what comes next for Mangione? Eyewitness News reporter Reagan Medji outside NDC Brooklyn, where he's being held this morning. Reagan?